Pay attention, right in the clean.
Shorty. Shorty got that swag. Shorty got that swag. She got that booty swag. She got that booty swag. She got that booty swag. Shorty got that booty swag. She got that booty swag. She got that booty swag. Shorty got that booty swag. She got that booty swag. She got that booty swag. Shorty got that booty swag. She got that booty swag. She got that booty swag. Girl, you got that booty swag. If I could, I would just take your booty and put it in my Gucci bag. You got that booty drag. I want a booty grab. Just give me the go to booty roll. I'll be surely glad. You got that badunk-a-dunk. I'll call you booty girl. It's like you got the greatest booty in the world. Miss Booty Bunch. And I'm starting thinking to myself, I'm saying booty too much. So let me change that rhyme, change it to butter cutter. I'm just enjoying the shaking of what your mama gave ya. So be proud, girl. Hold up, break, shake it, booty, shake it. Booty. Hey, girl, shake it, booty, shake it. And that jeans make the booty look ridiculous. It's overflowing in front of me, so conspicuous, so attracting, dang. That's why Dre Day say the booty got swag. She got that booty swag. She got that booty swag. She got that booty swag. She got that. Shorty got that booty swag. She got that booty swag. She got that booty swag. Shorty got that booty swag. She got that booty swag. She got that booty swag.
Young friends, folks embrace we when them see we rolling on and on and on and on. Yeah. Guys them fury when them see it now we on and on and on and on. Girls them love we cause we crush the party on and on and on and on. One choky son of maybe when she see all the.
No holding back, full force attack. Yeah, we run the map from the front to the back. Lay my game down flat cause you know I'm a Mac. Say my name in your rap and you know it's a rap. All guns is black, all out attack. Roll out the tanks, rob all the banks, pop all the drinks. Stop hard and think, shout for the king. It's about to begin.
Folks embrace we when them see we rolling on and on and on and on.
Yeah.
Guys them fury when them see it now we on and on and on and on. Girls them love we cause we crush the party on and on and on and on. One choky son of maybe when she see all the.
Hit the clubs every night, different thugs wanna fight, different girls in my sight. I don't know which is right, I just pick who I like. Let them sit on the bike, take a trip for the night. We could chill out of sight, you could dim all the lights. Love will make us ignite, get you high as a kite. With my strength and my might, ain't no need for a fight. Cause she needs what I like, just proceed with the lights. Tell your BF good night.
Folks embrace we when them see we rolling on and on and on and on. Guys them fury when them see it now we on and on and on and on. Girls them love we cause we crush the party on and on and on and on. One choky son of maybe when she see all the.
All day, every day. I'm talking all day, every day. I'm talking all day, always. Me, I'm from Jamaica, so I smoke the best way. When I'm out in Cali, yeah, I smoke the west way. I'm rolling Little Haiti when I'm down in MIA. My name's Sherman, but that I never blaze. My shoes crocodile like they in the Everglades. Fuck the broke shit, dog, I look better paid. When I went to school, my teachers always used to say that it's only right that I aim for higher grade. So it's most wanted whenever the fire blaze. Me and marijuana, yo, it's like we Siamese. Joined by the lung, yo, it's like a higher me. Smoke when I'm awake, me all I smoke when me asleep. Got this weed head broad, she want smoke while we wait. I bet she gon' even put the song on repeat. So when you see me, she rolling with me. Yeah, she blowing on the player. I'm rolling Little Haiti, I'm blowing on Jamaica. All day, every day, all day. All day, every day, all day. I'm talking all day, I'm talking always. Every type of bud depend on what you feel like. Got the mango, orange, sour, and of course the white ice. Me, I don't deal with no flour, but I get you nice price. Standing in my way, then that's a whopper pie. Yeah, bullets like night quail, you get a night. My crew head hot, and we night. Then we talking on the solid like a Rastafari, right? All I see is black and white like it's an apartheid. Me, I'm part down to earth, part fly. My life is like a movie and I'm making part 5. I'm rolling up like whenever a car drives. I'm always smoking and you can see it in my eyes. If I tell you I don't love it, then my nigga, that's a lie. Come and take it from me, I would love to see you try. I don't call it high, nah, I would say divine. Let me take a puff and get to say what's on my mind, cause
original corner again. Lyrics the solution for the whole of them. Red black. Original corner again. Lyrics the solution for the whole of them.
Okay, I'm dodging the lockup in the metropolis. I'm killing everything, fucking ushering the apocalypse. It's obvious, niggas ain't entertaining the audience. I'm raw, authentic, that makes me up with the fraudulent. No argument, tell them I'm running with Marcus Garvey. Officers rely on iron, mechanical lava. Got the marijuana, grab a mix with the tonic. Cause I autocross with the phonics. It's so methodic, neurotic, they call me shoddy. Lyrically subatomic, psychotic, lyrics retarded. Hated and disregarded, keep going at them regardless. You got the salute, chopping, chucking the juice. Flashing, Versace, Medusa, visions of fucking delusion. I never back out, get smashed out. Swagger dash out, crazy like I'm out the crack house. Name me top 5, I'm killing everybody. This red block COD, ain't no way around.
Original corner again. Lyrics the solution for the whole of them. Them no whole. Them original corner again. Lyrics the solution for the whole of them. Them no whole. Them original corner again. Lyrics the solution for the whole of them. Them no whole. Them original corner again. Lyrics the solution for the whole of them. Shit.
I'm in a hurry to get it before I'm buried. My business is getting blurry. My mouth
No doubt. 7G Don't drop those bombs just yet. Alright, so the projects are in the building. Jay, they out there, they got the shirts. Jay McGee's those shirts for $1,000. My boy I.A. selling his new product for $500. That was I.A. definition of a boss. With Arsenal like you saw before, G-Cash. Project is in the building tonight because we all out here pushing our products independently. G-Cash, you saw his new project dropped. The majority of those records was from Chillin' A Jan. Get your Chillin' A Jan mixtape from G-Cash. Just so you know, make sure you support local hip-hop, support the first coast, because we here, we making this music. What I got in my hands right now, I got CDs. Bob Steve said, yo, this is for the people. So all y'all who ready to get the Bob Steve's project right now, it's called These Kingston Times. You know what I'm saying? Check it out right here. We got it. You know what I mean? All those who want to come through and get the product. You know what I mean? This is the first coast. This is how we live it right now. You know what I mean? SoundCloud.com/5Steves. You understand? At PayAttentionJA, Instagram and Twitter, Facebook.com. PayAttentionJA. Y'all better be away because right now it's sort of like payday. I'm gonna do the drug cash spray with the everything. Yeah, that's right. G-Cash representing, Focus representing, N.R.G representing.
Till me move a K6, still me back not turn. Good at 9, 10, 11, still me never run. Harder the battle, the sweeter the victory. I'm here the hardest regardless of the
MC vendetta. I get the cheddar and the mozzarella. Flow smooth like the skin on the Cinderella. Black cheddar together with an acapella. 876Muzik.
I'm here the hardest regardless in the vicinity. So when them huff up and puff up, it means shit to me. So pass the cup up and cut up the weed quick for me. It's young that I'm
They say I'm a alien. I'm out of this skin reptilian. Tattoos killing them. Flow so different. Stack my dividends. Baddest thing since Wayne and Eminem. Since 50 Cent made Miniman. I don't care if you hate, I'ma get it in. Bad bitch, good weed and a cup of gin. Like Wiz Khalifa, you might catch me smoking reefer, blowing it into my speakers. So my music hot as wheat is. My thesis, green sneakers and beautiful sandy beaches. A couple bottles to keep us
No, we're slim. A flim. No, it's not. When is the near mix the attention in where you can catch Gully Cash out? Yeah, that's 8 seconds. Alright, wait. Yo. The next battery didn't finish, you know, but here we go on. The technology not finish. Real. And we keep rolling.
Gonna catch that kid, that shit. Shout out to my nigga DJ. I wanna get some, dog. Correct, L crew, flat.
Is it?
What we do, because we love what we do. Music.
Is it?
Start off, but we love it.
Is it? Max Pop, is it? Cash, is it? Stars, is it? Is it Image? Is it? Is it? Is it? Cash, that is it? Is it? Trilling, nigga. Trilling right now. Trilling. Up. Turn up, man. Is it? Turn up. Let me get attention. Yeah, cool, man. Keep it up. I don't see. I drink, I smoking, I ride these shit and get exclusive. Different from the rest.
Cause all you want is the motherfucking fight. So fuck you, I don't care. I got another girl.
What's going on? This is hip hop in Jamaica, isn't it? Brought to you by 876Muzik. Just subscribe and watch all the lecture artists, isn't it? If me fi tell the artists right now, can't done. Just look on them. Stars among stars. After we got Gully Cash, is it? Gully. All the cameraman them must start you know, you never know. All the cameraman sister. Anyone know, you know? You never know. See all the brother here? The brother here? Boy, I'm going to tell you, say the brother here. In good all be a beat right now. Alright, in all be a beat. Him a go easy, I pay attention in there. So the next one over there, sir. Oh, but studio life, the man all have in him coat. No say yo. Feel the beats in the studio all night. Got a pen, got a what? Pay attention. Right.
What was it? Yo, you can't forget Jamaica Rapper Society, isn't it? Yeah, you know I'm a favorite.
Yo, tell him again.
Big up the WhatsApp group, Jamaica Rapper Society. Ignorant, where you there? True. You're 443-7970. As I say, the WhatsApp group to keep the thing connected. As we need the fans them at the hip hop Jamaica music. If I want to rate the thing, I want to love the thing. Just connect 443-7970. D3. D-Shade, Ill Crew, Cash, Gully, Jesus Gang, you know the whole thing turn on chemistry.
Out.
First course, remember that. Mad.
Well ignorant.
Yo, image.
Oh, image, come in. Come in at this one, the illa one,
Image, big up to TMO on the project. Immortals out. Get it now. You see me? Word.
Producer, I'm rapper this.
Word.
Yeah. Project,
Immortals
but
out, no.
check out Immortals, image. Check out Immortals.
Straight.
Just download it. Mad thing. Big up Mordecai.
That nigga gonna kill that nigga.
Mordecai say my father when I see him.
Want a special thanks first course. You don't know, see the appreciation, see the love, support the movement, and see something want to go on. You see, bigger than just one person. You see, Immortals out now, chilling in the yard out now, 5 steeds or something out now. Check it. You must can find one way you like.
Many more to come, you see me?
Yo, the whole army there about 50, 60. Yo, you pick it. They like, oh no. Enough of it, you may tell it. Yeah, at Charlie Party, at Red Black.
Red Tip out, big up TMOs, you see me? You see me?
Red Black, nigga. For real. Look at that nigga slow.
Yo, Jerry started her turn right now. Right now.
Yeah. The man tell me that stars among stars.
Among stars.
You see me?
You know the stars. You know the stars.
Check it out.
On the said speed now, 5 steers of all in project, you see me? We have said these Kingston times. Styling. 5 steers. Right now, Sunday morning, that means rice, peas, all these things.